Good morning, everyone. We are going to again start regarding the section formula, some of the concepts and few of them questions we discussed at the last lectures. Today we are going to start some more questions regarding the section formula for grade 10th. Now, I just selected one textbook, that is Frank EMU books, question number 7 of section formula. Point A and point B is given. Question is going to give that, given that A and B are the point of coordinates whose values are 1, 2 and 7, 5. It is divided by a line x equal to 3. You have to find the ratio, only ratio, nothing. So what do I have to do? So again, at the last lectures, we discussed, you assume ratio as k is to 1, right? So again, same tricks apply, cross, what cross? Minus k multiplied to this axis and 1. Cross is just opposite of this point of intersection. Yeah? So here, P3y equal to 7 into k plus 1 into 1 upon k plus 1. Again, k into 5 plus 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. Now equating the term, then 7k plus 1 upon k plus 1 equal to 3, because this is the value of x and this one is the value of y, right? So on solving it, cross multiply 3k plus 3. Now take all k together, so 7k plus 3 will give the will go this side, so minus 3k equal to 3 plus 1 will come this side, minus 1, it will be 2. So 4k equal to 2, k equal to 2 upon 4 equal to 1 by 2. So ratio will be 1:2. Okay, so these are the questions, such kind of questions how to do. Once again, see how to identify that is 3 comma y. Why not I just assume 3 comma 0? Because it is not mentioned ki it is at only at x-axis. It's only given x equal to 3. So it might be y0 or y is there some points. Okay. So now some more questions we have to discuss regarding to section formula. Right? Now, in the same exercise, I am just going to solve question number 10. It is given that find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 2 minus 5, B minus 310 is divided by y-axis. Right? Point of coordinate is given A, B. A is given how much? A is given 2 minus 5. And B is also given how much? Value of B is given minus 3 and 10. Now, point of coordinate is not given, but it's mentioned pointing on y-axis. The meaning of y-axis, it is 0, comma y. Ratio k is to 1. Again, P 0, comma y will be minus 3k plus 2 into 1 upon k plus 1, 10 into k plus 1 into minus 5 upon k plus 1. Right? Now again equating the term, you must have to write equating the term. Then what? This is equal to 0 because this is the value of x and here x equal to 0. So minus 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 equal to 0. Again 10k minus 5 upon k plus 1 equal to how much? Y. Cross multiplied. So minus 3k plus 2, 0. Again 3k equal to 2. So k equal to 2 by 3. So ratio is how much? 2:3. Now, in such questions, you have to also find the coordinate of y. How much it is. So substitute the value of k here. So 10 into 2 by 3 minus 5 upon 2 by 3 plus 1. That's equal to y. On more solving, 20 LCM. Right? Directly I am doing 20 minus 15. How? 3. It's nothing is here to 1. So 3 5 ja 15. Here again 3 LCM. 2 plus 3. Cancel, cancel. Now it is how much? 20 minus 15 is here 5 upon 5. 1. Now I just want to tell you how I cancelled here. Very simple thing. Do this. Look at the rough work. Look, it is exactly 5 by 3. It is the main division line, that is 5 by 3, right? So you know 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3. Now you know how I just cancel. So no need to show this working, nothing. Directly you can cancel, you will get the answer. Y equal to 1. That means this point is P0, 1. So these are the questions. These types of questions are there in here. So you can solve like this. Once again, point of coordinate is given and divided by y-axis or x-axis. It's mentioned. You have to find the first ratio, then substitute the value, and then you can get the coordinates. Okay? Now, one more type of question is there. Now I have to do one more type of question. How to solve? Now before solving question, I want to tell you one more thing. Look at here, diagram. This is the diagram. If I say here is a point A, what is the coordinate here? I don't know the value, just coordinate. This coordinate will be how much? X, 0. Why x, 0? See, at the beginning I said a point is on x-axis, then y coordinate is 0. So it is x, 0. Similarly for B coordinate, it will be 0, y. Right. Now you know, if such kind of question is going to give you and the value of coordinate is also given which divide the line segment, very clearly I am telling you, don't focus this diagram. So how to solve? In this case, come. So look at the question. 13th question of your textbook. If it is given, what it is given? P is a point and the point of coordinate is 3, 4, which is divide this line AB with section. That is, A is given how much? X, 0. B 0, y. Exactly the figure is like this. Right? It is your A point and this is your B point. So what I did? I just made this line. Why I made this line? Because then you no need to learn or recap your formula. Again, ratio is not given. K is to 1. So how to solve? P here 3, 4. That is your K into 0 plus 1 into how much? X upon K plus 1, again K into Y plus 1 into 0 upon K plus 1. Now again 3 equal to X upon K plus 1, right? And 4 equal to 4 equal to what? K y plus 0, that is k plus 1. Now here the value of k is given. How much? This line is divided by the ratio of 2:3. Means here it is 2 and here it is 3. Now substitute the value of k, 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 plus 1 equal to x. Here 4, 2 upon 3 plus 1 equal to how much? 2 upon 3 into y. Y how much? You don't have. Right? On simplification, you will get the answer. Right? One other method is this one. Now you can solve this one by another method also. How to solve this method by another method? Look at here. Same thing. One other concept is like this. And another concept you can use for this question. How? P 3, 4 ratio is given. So 2 into 0 plus 3 into x upon 2 plus 3 comma 2 into y plus 3 into 0 upon 2 plus 3. Right? So 3 equal to how much? 3x upon 5 and 4 equal to 2y upon 5. Cancel to do the 4. So x is how much? 5 and y how much? 10. Cross multiplied. Now, on the behalf of this section formula, now we can go through more thing, that is your midpoint formula. How to do the midpoint? Midpoint. I said midpoint formula. Midpoint formula means, suppose P is a point xy and A is given x1, y1, B is given x2 and y2. Then Pxy is equal to what? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That is a very simple concept and you can get the answer. Suppose I have a value A 3, 5 and B 3, 7. I asked to find the mid value of AB. That P, suppose the point is P xy. So P xy equal to 3 plus 3 upon 2 comma 5 plus 7 upon 2. So 6 by 2 how much? 3 and 12 by 2 how much? 6. These are the concept of midpoint formula. Okay. Thank you very much.